Thank you, Christine and Tyler from the club at Twin Lakes. Thank you for joining me. How's it going?
Oh, great. How are you, George?
Doing well. I want to learn a little bit more about the club at Twin Lakes.
Sure. So the Club at Twin Lakes is a property, a golf course, and event facility that was originally developed in the late 50s and early 60s and has seen a major renovation and redesign as recently as December of 2021 under new ownership, including golf course renovations, full cart paths, as well as the interior of all three of our banquet spaces, which vary in size and can accommodate anywhere from 25 to 300 guests.
Also, our on-site restaurant, the Wild Turkey Grille, that's open daily from 11 a.m. to 7 a.m., hosting a wide variety of menu that our golfers afterwards are welcome to come in and join us, as well as anyone off-site welcome to come and join us for lunch or dinner any day of the week.
And can you tell us a little bit about the off-season in terms of the holidays?
So, yeah, we really embrace the holiday season here on both the golf and event side. We're offering our Turkey Trot tournament as well as a Santa Scramble. We do, of course, have our Thanksgiving buffet. We're also offering a Thanksgiving to-go option this year. We do a breakfast with Santa coming up in the beginning of December. So there really is something for everyone, including the event spaces, which can be booked for holiday parties and other gatherings.
So our Thanksgiving to go, we are offering meals, full Thanksgiving meals to go, pick up the day before Thanksgiving from 12 to 5. We have those in groups of 4, so for parties of 4, 8, or 12. And with that, we can do just specifics. It's not necessarily the whole Thanksgiving meal. If you wanted to do just turkey, we could do just turkey for you, or just the accompaniments, we could do just that for you, whether, you're traveling or it's, just not looking to cook at home. And then, of course, as Christine mentioned, our Thanksgiving Day, we're hosting that from 11 to 4. Also, our breakfast with Santa, as well as our Christmas Scramble out on the golf course as well. Those are the weekend of the 7th and 8th of December. Looking to bring the community together.
I think I'm going to check out that Scramble. How can people find out more about you?
We're on social media, Facebook and Instagram.
Facebook
and then
Instagram.
Also our restaurant, the Wild Turkey Grille, that has its own separate social media, Facebook and Instagram as well. Our restaurant's open daily 11 to 7. Certainly come in, join us for some lunch or dinner, see what we're all about.
Thank you guys so much for teaching me more about the club at Twin Lakes. I'm now obligated to come and play some golf. I'm excited.
You certainly are.
Have a happy Thanksgiving and happy holidays.
Thank you.
Too.
You as well.
Thank you.
Thank you to our sponsors, Wind Creek Event Center, Banko Beverage Company, WDIY 88.1 FM, Michael Bernadyn of Howard Schaefer and Associates with Remax Real Estate, and our friends at the Coop Sports Bar and Kitchen. Happy holidays and shop local harder.